You can set up the patient portal for any of your clients by doing so from your web page. Clicking these buttons will send them an email, which they'll receive and be able to log in and establish a username and password for themselves. Once they've logged in, they'll be taken immediately to their dashboard where there's all sorts of functions. They can confirm appointments. They can establish a new appointment at your main office for psychotherapy on a particular date that's open on your schedule. And confirm that if they'd like. They can look at their appointments on a separate page here, or look at messages you've sent, including this one, which contains a document that you sent for them for e-signature. They sign it by simply typing their name, and it's returned to become a part of their chart automatically. They can also fill out a biographical information form. We won't go over the whole thing here. They can look at their account. Notice that they have an account balance that they can view the details of by clicking there. If you've enabled it, they can also make a payment on their account. They can look at all the documents that you've sent previously, and finally they can verify their insurance information.